Moana is a spirited young girl who stands on the sunlit shores of the Big Island, a paradise with a reputation for fiery challenges and family legacy. The island is renowned for its restless volcano, Pele, whose temper has shaped not only the landscape but the stories of the island's people. Moana's family is closely connected to the island, as her grandmother, Tala, is a revered keeper of the island's legends. It was Tala who taught Moana to embrace the call of the ocean and the song of the island, balancing the raw power of nature with the beauty it offers. In the shadow of the volcano, Moana finds herself drawn to exploring its mysteries. The village elders often warn of Pele's anger, but Moana believes that understanding the volcano will help protect her people and preserve the harmony of the island. One day, whispers of tremors and smoke send ripples of fear through the village. The elders consult Tala, who recalls an ancient ritual that once calmed the fire mountain. She entrusts Moana with retrieving a sacred shell from the depths of the lava chamber, a shell said to harmonize the elements. Moana embarks on her journey with her loyal pet pig, Pua, and the ever-watchful Tala guiding her through the dense, vibrant forest that blankets the volcano's base. Along the way, they encounter tricky lava spirits who test Moana's resolve, challenging her with puzzles rooted in the island's history. Through courage and cleverness, Moana overcomes these tests, each one bringing her closer to understanding her connection with Pele. As she ventures deeper into the heart of the volcano, the heat intensifies, but so does her determination. Moana finally reaches the lava chamber, the ground pulsating with powerful energy. Holding the shell aloft, she sings the ancient hymn taught to her by Tala. Emerging from the volcano, Moana is greeted by her family and the village, their faces alight with relief and pride.